Hi food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make a lemon cake. First, add 1 cup of sugar. Then we add ½ cup of butter. Then we add rind of 1 lemon. Then squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Then we added 2 tablespoons from the lemon we just squeezed. If you prefer your lemon cake with more lemon juice, you can add as much as you want. Beat 2 eggs and add to batter. Then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. Then mix it all up. Then add ½ cup of coconut milk. You can also use any milk of your choice. Then we mix it all up again. We also add 1½ cup of flour. Then sieve it. Then we add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we mix it all up again. Then prepare your baking tin by greasing it with butter and a light layer of flour. Then we pour our batter in the baking tin, and then we are going to bake for 45 to 50 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You can have it with whatever you like. We had ours with coffee. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a recipe from Taste of Jamaica. And as we say in Jamaica, one love.